reflux. Now it demonstrates how to perform a reflux. In a reflux, the reaction mixture is being heated. Volatile substances will be evaporated. The vapor is cooled and condensed. The condensed liquid is allowed to go back into the reaction mixture. The purpose of reflux is to avoid the loss of volatile substances. First, add the reactants and solvents into a round-bottomed flask. When adding the reactants into the flask, the amount of the substances in the flask should not exceed half of the flask volume. If the load is too much, the content may overflow while boiling. Put a clean stirrer bar into the flask to ensure smooth boiling. Fix the flask with a clamp. Connect one of the two rubber tubings of the condenser to the water tap and lead the other to the sink. The lower opening of the condenser is the water inlet. It should be connected to the water tap. Turn on the water tap to fill the condenser with water. Make sure that the direction of water flow is correct. Check if there is any leakage from the connections. Adjust the water tap to give a moderate flow. If the water flow is too strong, the tubing will come off easily. If water flows too slowly, it is not enough to condense the vapor efficiently. Fit the water condenser to the round-bottom flask and put the flask into a sand bath. Adjust the height of the sand to make sure that the flask can be heated uniformly. Switch on the hot plate to heat the round-bottom flask. Adjust the temperature setting of the hot plate to reach the appropriate temperature. Make sure that the apparatus is an open system. Heating a closed system may cause the apparatus to explode. When a solution is refluxing, you can observe that the vapor of the solvent is being cooled and condensed in the condenser. The position where the solvent vapor condenses should not be too high. This can be controlled by adjusting the temperature of the hot plate or the position of the flask. Depending on the temperature required to carry out the reflux, we may also use an oil bath or heating mantle instead of a sand bath.